When a medical crisis hits or a natural disaster forces an immediate evacuation, time is your most limited resource. You cannot spend those critical seconds digging through filing cabinets for scattered paperwork. The solution is to consolidate your vital records into a single, waterproof, grab-and-go command center. This binder houses your medical history and disaster recovery plan in one secure location. To build this system, you need 5 physical components. Step 1 is a sturdy, weather-resistant 3-ring binder. Step 2, at least 15 tabbed index dividers. Step 3, archival quality sheet protectors. Step 4, a waterproof document pouch. And Step 5, a secure USB flash drive. Before assembling anything, there is a strict rule for document preservation. Never hole punch vital documents. Always slide them into the sheet protectors to maintain their legal integrity. Organizing these materials into a centralized system means you never rely on memory during an emergency. You shift from a state of panic to a state of execution. We divide this binder into 2 primary zones, the medical core and disaster recovery. The first page is emergency instructions, giving first responders clear contact directions. Behind that, build 4 tabs: personal information, medical history, insurance, and healthcare providers. Tab 5 requires a medication history chart, tracking dosage changes, so doctors instantly know what worked previously. The next 3 sections handle administrative tracking. You need dedicated tabs for upcoming appointments, current treatment plans, and medical resources. Tab 9 is for your test results. This section should only contain recent, 1-page summary sheets to track trends like cholesterol levels, rather than a bulky collection of historical lab work. Finally, the 10th medical section houses your legal directives. A living will and power of attorney are legally binding instructions that doctors must follow. By organizing this 10-section core, you guarantee continuity of care. If a regional grid failure takes hospital databases offline, the treating physicians still have the information they need to prevent fatal dosing errors. Once the medical data is secure, we move to the disaster recovery half of the binder. This zone is designed to prove your identity and asset ownership if you are suddenly displaced. Here, you will store copies of your vital documents, photo IDs, passports, property deeds, leases, and your insurance policies. Cautionary: however, you must avoid the identity trap. Never store original Social Security cards or birth certificates in this portable binder. Those originals belong in a heavy, stationary fire safe to prevent identity theft if your go bag is lost or stolen. The final physical element in this section is a printed home inventory. To successfully validate future insurance claims, you must include photographs of every room, drawer, and closet, alongside a list of high-value items. With these documents in place, this section acts as a financial lifeboat. You can begin filing recovery claims immediately after a property loss, bypassing common bureaucratic delays. To ensure the system survives any scenario, you now need to build a digital vault. This creates redundancy for the physical documents you just organized. Relying exclusively on cloud storage is a vulnerability. During a severe storm or regional grid failure, internet access and cell towers often go down, cutting you off from your files. The best solution is a local backup. Scan every document in your binder and save those files onto an encrypted physical USB flash drive. As a supplement to your physical drive, you can use a digital dashboard, like a Notion Natural Disaster Preparedness Plan. This allows you to manage your gear inventory and link to scanned documents from your phone when you have a signal. Whenever you digitize vital records, security is mandatory. Keep your local USB drive encrypted and avoid uploading unredacted Social Security numbers or banking details to an unsecure public cloud network. Now it's time to finalize the physical assembly. Place your encrypted USB drive, a set of spare house and car keys, and some backup cash into the waterproof zipper pouch. Clip that pouch directly into the binder rings. Make sure to securely zip the weather-resistant binder closed. Store it in an accessible location, such as a fireproof safe, near your primary exit door, or next to your emergency go bag. By mirroring your physical and digital data locally, you guarantee immediate access to your critical life information. This system functions whether you are sheltering in place or evacuating without a cell signal. We started with the chaos of scattered mail and misplaced pill bottles. Now, that vulnerability is replaced by a streamlined physical system. The core value of this binder is psychological relief. You no longer have to search for your medical and financial life. You know exactly where it is and can grab it in seconds. With your documents secured, you are ready for the next step. Click the link on screen to learn how to pack a physical 72-hour survival bag that pairs with this command center. Preparedness is a function of organization. By structuring your critical information now, you provide yourself with a factual roadmap to follow when a crisis occurs.